Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss the various decisions taken by GST Council in the 40th GST Council meeting. Let us start with discussion. For the purpose of easy understanding, we have bifurcated the decision taken by GST Council in the 40th GST Council meeting in the tabular format. Let us understand step by step. For the purpose of serial number 1 and 2, you have to consider the tax liability column, that is the no tax liability or any tax liability. So this is the major relief given by the GST Council, that if any taxpayer has not filed GSTR 3B for July 2017 to January 2020. So if any taxpayer has not filed GSTR 3B return from the GST starting date, that is July 2017 to January 2020, then he can file such GSTR 3B return from the date 1st July 2020 to 30th September 2020. So the relief date is given for the period between July 2017 to January 2020 is 1st July 2020 to 30th September 2020. Further, the turnover limit will not be given here. So there is no bifurcation given whether the turnover is more than 5 crore or less than 5 crore or more than 1.5 crore or up to 1.5 crore. So any turnover limit, the taxpayer can take the benefit of this decision if he had not filed the GSTR 3B from July 2017 to January 2020. Here the distinction is given between the no tax liability and any tax liability. If there is no tax liability for the period July 2017 to January 2020 and he is filing such return and late by 30th September 2020, then there is no late fee. So there is nil late fee. And what is the interest rate? Interest rate given in the act is 18%. However, there is no tax liability, so effective interest rate will be 0. So if you are filing your late GSTR 3B for a particular July 2017 to January 2020 period, in the period given between 1st July 2020 to 30th September 2020, and if you have no tax liability for the said period, then late fee will be nil and interest rate effectively should be nil. However, if there is any tax liability, there is no nil tax liability, but there is any tax liability. Suppose it is a 1 rupees, 100 rupees, 1 lakh rupees or 1 crore rupees. So any tax liability, then the late fee will be 500 rupees per return. So the late fee will be maximum 500 rupees per return. So maximum late fee limit will be 500 rupees per return and interest rate would be 18%. So if you have any tax liability for the period July 2017 to January 2020 and you have not filed GSTR 3B return, then you can file such return between the period given from 1st July 2020 to 30th September 2020. However, you have to pay late fee which is maximum rupees 500 per return. This is maximum 500 rupees per return and interest would be charged 18% per annum. Next, serial number 3. If the turnover of the taxpayer is up to 5 crore, then from the return period from February to April 2020, he has to file the return in the stagger manner till 6 July 2020. So if any taxpayer has a turnover up to 5 crore rupees, then he have to file the return for the period of February 2020 to April 2020 in the staggered manner till 6 July 2020. Here, even if there is any tax liability, the late fee will be nil and the interest will be nil. So the taxpayer up to 5 crore turnover, if they are filing February 2020 to April 2020 any return, whether it is a 3B, CMP 08, etc., and whether any tax liability, late fee will be nil and interest rate will be nil, subject to the condition they are filing such return within the time given, that is the staggered manner time limit given till 6 July 2020. Now the extension of this number 3, that is the 3A row, that is if you are filing any return after 6 July 2020 but before 30th September 2020 for the period February 2020 to April 2020 and your turnover is up to 5 crore, your tax liability may be any, then the interest rate will be reduced to 9%. Here the interest rate will be nil, but here the interest rate will be reduced to 9%. So if you are filing the return after 6 July 2020 for the period February 2020 to April 2020, and if you have any tax liability and if your turnover limit is up to 5 crore, then interest will be reduced from 18% to 9% for such taxpayer. However, in the press release given by the government for the decision taken under the GST Council meeting, there is nothing mentioned for the late fee in this situation. So if you are filing February to April 2020 return after 6 July 2020 but before 30th 9 2020, then nothing is mentioned in the press release for the late fee. So we have to wait for the notification for the exact clarification for the late fee in this scenario. Next is the GSTR 3B for the period May 2020 to July 2020 for the taxpayer having the turnover up to 5 crore and the liability will be any tax liability, then he can file such return up to 30th September 2020 in the staggered manner. Date will be announced soon by the way of notification. In this condition, the late fee will be nil as well as the interest rate will be nil. So the taxpayer having the turnover up to 5 crore and if he have any tax liability for the period May 2020 to July 2020, then he can file such GSTR 3B up to 30th September 2020 in the staggered manner, though the relevant date will be announced by the way of notification. In this situation, the late fee and the interest will be nil. Now, via the decision of GST Council, the new issue is arise as below. What are the new issue? We have to wait for the notification for the clarification like we have discussed in the row number 3A. So here the late fee is not mentioned, interest is mentioned, that is the reduced interest rate is 9%. So what about the late fee, whether it is waived or not? So we have to wait for the notification. Further, what about the taxpayer who have already paid the late fee? Same for example, suppose any taxpayer has filed July 2017 to March 2020 return in the month of April 2020 with the payment of late fee, then what about such taxpayer who have already paid the late fee to the government? Whether government is giving any refund to such taxpayer? Hopefully the government will not be giving any refund of late fee to such taxpayer. So this is the quite dishonest to the such person who have already paid late fee. Next, what about the GSTR 1? Press release only talk about GSTR 3B. So here only GSTR 3B is mentioned, here only GSTR 3B is mentioned. So in the row number 1, 2 and 5, GSTR 1 is not mentioned. So what about GSTR1, whether late fee will be waived or not? So this issue is also arise, we have to wait for the notification. What about the TDS return? If any taxpayer is required to file the TDS return, then whether any late fee or interest would be charged or not, such clarification is also not given. Further, the COVID-19 coronavirus is impacted all over the India. Then why the government is bifurcating the taxpayer between the turnover up to 5 crore and above 5 crore? Whether turnover above 5 crore taxpayer are not impacted due to corona or COVID-19, why the benefit of such reduction rate of interest as well as the late fee waiver will not be given to the taxpayer having the turnover above 5 crore. So ideally it should be given the benefit of late fee waiver as well as the reduction of interest rate to the taxpayer having turnover above 5 crore also, because due to the pandemic COVID-19 coronavirus, all the taxpayer as well as all the citizen of India are impacted. Further, for the May, June and July, relief is given only for GSTR 3B for taxpayer having the turnover above up to rupees 5 crore. So what about the composition dealer? Here May, June and July only GSTR 3B is mentioned and turnover up to 5 crore. So relief is given for the taxpayer who are filing GSTR 3B. So what about the composition dealer? So this issue also arises. So we need the clarification. Hopefully this clarification will happen in the notification by CBIC. So now I will show you the press release which is given by the government of India. This is the press release released today, that is 12th June 2020, for the decision taken by GST Council. So this is the decision taken for a reduction of a late fee. Here you will see that only GSTR 3B is mentioned, no GSTR 1 is mentioned. So if there is no tax liability for July 2017 to January 2020, then the nil late fee. If there is a tax liability, then maximum late fee will be 500 per return. However, such reduction of late fee will be applied only if you are filing the return for the period between 1st July 2020 to 30th September 2020. Further, point number D, one time extension is given in the period for seeking the revocation of cancellation of registration. So the person, to facilitate the taxpayer who could not get cancelled GST registration restored in time, an opportunity are provided for filing the application for revocation of cancellation of registration up to 30th 9 2020 in all the cases whose registration are cancelled till 12th June 2020. सो जिसका भी रजिस्ट्रेशन 12 जून 2020 तक कैंसिल हो गया है, उसको एक वन टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी प्रोवाइड की गई है कि 30 सितंबर 2020 तक वो अपना जीएसटी रजिस्ट्रेशन रिस्टोर कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द डिस्कशन ऑफ द डिसीजन टेकन बाय जीएसटी काउंसिल मीटिंग in on the date 12 June 2020. In the next video we will discuss another about GST law. Thank you.